Welcome to Learn Instrumentation. Today we are going to discuss control valve leakage test. Control valve plays an important role in instrumentation. Control valve is used to control various parameters, but sometimes control valve is leakage. So today we will discuss how we recognize that control valve is leakage. So video is going to be very helpful for you, so don't skip the video. Look friends, if we talk about control valve, then we need a controller to control a control valve. We need a PLC DCS or we need a PID controller to operate a control valve. By this PLC DCS or PID controller, a 4 to 20 milliampere signal is sent. 4 to 20 milliampere signal is sent by using PLC DCS or by PID controller, whichever controller we are using. And according to this 4 to 20 milliampere signal, this valve operates from 0% to 100%. Okay, this is the basic of control valve. And control valve controls the parameter according to the set point automatically. Now, one most important point about the control valve is that control valve is the final control element in process control. What does it mean? It means that suppose we are using a control valve for level control. So we will use level control valve LCV, and this control valve is controlling a level of any tank, and on that tank we are using a level transmitter, and this level transmitter measures the level of this tank. Now this level transmitter will measure the level and transmit its signal to the controller into 4 to 20 milliampere. Okay, now according to the set point, controller will send the signal to control valve. Now control valve will operate according to the signal, and after control valve there is no control element, so it is known as final control element. So I think it is clear to you why we call it as final control element. Look friends, if you want the PDF for this content, you can join our membership program. Now we will discuss leakage control valve. How we will recognize that control valve is leakage? In first method, we can recognize the control valve by simply looking it. Suppose if control valve is leakage from here, then this is also called a leakage control valve. Here you will find the gland packing. Sometimes control valve leakage from gland packing. So you can see that water is coming out from here if control valve is installed in the water line, and sometimes you will see that steam is coming out from here if control valve is installed in the steam line. So this is the one type, that control valve leakage. In the second type, you cannot see that control valve is leakage or not. Now how will we recognize that control valve is leakage? Look friends, here one important point, note it down please. If control valve is fully closed, okay, and it is passing the fluid, then control valve is said to be leakage control valve. Let's discuss it. Suppose it is the inlet for control valve, and here it is the outlet for control valve. So if control valve is fully closed or 0% open, okay, in that case it should not pass the fluid flow in the outlet, okay, but sometimes it passes some fluid flow in the outlet, then it is known as leakage control valve. Now we will discuss the control valve leakage test. To perform the control valve leakage test, we will put the PID controller in manual mode. In manual mode, set point will not work. Okay. Then in manual mode, we will operate control valve 0% or we will fully close the control valve. So here we will fully close the control valve. Okay. The first step is this. Now we will proceed further. Now suppose we are using this control valve for temperature control and its process variable is 210 degrees Celsius. Suppose this is the case. Now we will fully close the control valve. Okay. In that case, we will check that process variable is stable or not. If process variable is stable, then control valve is not leakage. Remember that if process variable is stable, then control valve is not leakage. But if process variable is not stable, like in this case, here process variable is 200 degrees Celsius. Before it was 210 degrees Celsius, now it is 200 degrees Celsius. So process variable is changed from 210 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. That means fluid is passing. Okay. And control valve is leakage. Okay. So this is the very simple method to test that control valve is leakage or not. I think it is clear to you. So friends, that was our video. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more instrumentation videos, subscribe to our channel today.